When it comes to printing graphics, there's a wide variety of different inks you can choose from solvent, eco-solvent, latex, and UV. And a very popular ink platform is eco-solvent, mainly because you have a wide range of different colors to choose from, and they pop once you print it. Very stable ink in terms of weathering and UV, and when you stretch the wrap film, especially if you're wrapping a lot of cars, the film doesn't whiten because the ink goes into the wrap film, is very stable that way. So those are great things about eco-solvent. But eco-solvent also has some negative or downside in terms of the fact that it needs to outgas for 24 or up to 48 hours, depending on the wrap film that you're using. And in terms of the environment, it could be a little better. So those are two negatives. But what's interesting now is Mutoh has come out with a new ink, MS51, and we've been using that now for about 4 months here at the Wrap Institute. And we really love it because you have all the benefits of eco-solvent, but now you don't have any of the negatives. So what I'm doing right now is talk to you about those positive aspects of what used to be negative. So what's great about the MS51 inks is they dry extremely quick. So that means same day lamination. So you print in the morning and then maybe by afternoon you're already laminating. That saves a huge amount of time and avoids any kind of bottlenecks in production. So that's a big plus. And we at the Wrap Institute are really into the environment when it comes to wrapping, always being super smart about that and thinking big picture. Well, the MS51, well, they're GBL free, ozone free, and there's no hazards at all. So that means, well, for your wrap shop, it's super safe to do inside, and it's great for your clients, especially if you're doing, let's say, jobs for schools and hospitals. Great stuff. So now think about it. No more negatives in terms of bottlenecks, in terms of outgassing, and it's way better for the environment, which is great. And you're not sacrificing any print quality and UV stability. Awesome stuff. So that's the MS51, and again, we've been using it now for 4 months here at the Wrap Institute, and we definitely can see that quality and stability, and we love that workflow. So I hope this helps you better understand why MS51 inks are a game changer and why you should consider using them for your next wrap job. Thanks for watching. Jocelyn Pate.